The government does not have a heart or a conscience. They will not listen to Sonam Wangchuk, so he should end his hunger strike. This is a letter that has been written to Mr. Sonam Wangchuk by 1800 Indian citizens. There are now growing calls appealing to Mr. Sonam Wangchuk to end his hunger strike, as he has only been surviving on water and salt for the last 18 days. You can see him right behind me. He looks very weak now. He's not able to stand properly. He's not able to talk properly. But the government cannot ignore this hunger strike anymore. They will have to respond tomorrow. The Delhi High Court has sought a response from both the Delhi government and the central government on a plea seeking an end to Sonam Wangchuk's hunger strike. Now, over the last few days, several eminent Indians have come out in support of Wangchuk. Legendary actors Zeenat Aman, Abhay Deol, Ratna Pathak Shah, Mr. Nasiruddin Shah have all come out in support. And this letter says that we care about your life and we know that this fascist government is not going to listen, so you should end your hunger strike. We make this appeal because we know that this government does not have a heart or a conscience. They also used references of previous agitations like the farmers' protest, the wrestlers' protest. They used the example of G.D. Agarwal, the IIT professor who was on the hunger strike for the Ganga River, and he died on hunger strike and the government did not listen to him. Arvind Kejriwal, even Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav have all asked Sonam Wangchuk to end his hunger strike. But despite all of these appeals, he still says that instead of asking me to end my hunger strike, you should all ask the government why they are not responding to us, why they are not talking to us. So he says that physically he might be weak, but mentally he's still strong to continue even after 18 days.